Today, we're going to draw a little frog on a lily pad. Let's start by drawing 2 circles near the top of our page. Ovals are fine too. We're going to add some black colored in dots inside those circles or ovals to make our eyes. Our little froggy is going to be happy on the lily pad, so give him a smile. Connect the top of the eyes with a small, slightly curved line. We're going to make a U from one eye to the other to make our little frog's body. A C on the left, a backward C on the right will make those very strong froggy legs. Zigzags make great frog toes. Use curved V's for the front legs. They are inside of the body. Some more zigzags for the feet for the front. Happy curves on the edge of the mouth. And let's add a tongue so our frog will be ready to catch a fly. Oops, let's start a fly up in the corner. Start with a dot. That's his head. Add an oval for the body. Ovals also make the wings, make it look like he's flying. He's in the water, so use overlap to add the water behind the frog. Make the water kind of bumpy down in front of the lily pad. Add color using markers or crayons or colored pencils or watercolors or whatever you would like. I added eyelashes.